Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with phonograms. We have grind, child, old, old, oast, walk, small, scroll, scroll, thing, long, long. Today we'll be writing our words with the matching color. With grind, we're going to write grind underneath the brown crayon. Finger stretch grind. Grind. Let's write grind. Grind. And I want you to highlight that phonogram. Our next word, child, we're going to write under pink. But before we write it, let's sound it out. Child. Let's write child. Child. You can use your crayon to color the phonogram. Our next word is bolt. Bolt. And we're going to write that underneath the red crayon. Finger stretch. Bolt. Bolt. Please color the phonogram olt. Way to go. Oh, I forgot to draw my arrow. Our next word is old. And we're going to write that underneath our gray crayon. Old. Gold. Highlight that phonogram. And the last one we're going to do together is post. Post. And we will write that underneath our orange crayon. Finger stretch. Post. 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 Coloring the phonogram oast. All right, my friends, you're going to finish this page on your own. We have walk underneath yellow, small underneath blue, scroll goes with the green crayon, thing goes with the black crayon, and long goes with the purple crayon. Please remember to color all of your crayons and then move on to the next page when you're ready. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with vowel teams, and we are working with the E vowel team. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. So we only hear the first vowel in a vowel team. And the vowel makes and says its name. So our directions say color the EE words. Our first word is leg. 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 There's no vowel team, so we won't color leg. Our next word, E. Ooh, we're going to highlight just the vowel team. And we're going to point an arrow at the first vowel and then put little Z's above the second vowel because the second vowel is sleeping. Our next word is help. H-E-L-P. Help. There's no vowel team there, so we will not color it. Then we have peel. P-eel. Ooh, I see our vowel team. So please just color the vowel team. And we're going to put an arrow pointing at the first vowel that's doing the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, E. And the second one goes to sleep. Our next word, oh, there's that vowel team again. And what do we know about vowel teams? That the first vowel does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, and the second one goes to sleep. Good night. Our next word over is get. G-et, get. No vowel team there. Our next word is deer. Deer. I saw a deer running through the mountain. Here's our E-E vowel team. The first vowel does the talking while the second one goes to sleep. Our next word is them. TH consonant digraph. Th-e-m. Them. No vowel team there. Oh, our next word is feed. Feed. There's our vowel team. And with our first vowel, the first vowel does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, while the second vowel goes to sleep. So we don't even hear that second vowel make a sound. Our next word is sheep. Sheep. Vowel team. The first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, and that letter name is E, while the second one goes to sleep. Sheep. Our next word over is seen. Vowel team. First one does the talking, while the second one goes to sleep. Next word, last word, eek. There's that vowel team. The first vowel does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, while the second one goes to sleep. All right, you did great with those vowel teams. Now our next directions with spin, read, and write. We have E, oopsie. We have free, seen, feed, b-e, w-eek, p-eel, d-ear, sh-eep. Then you're going to put the words at the bottom into the word bank. Our first word is peel, p-eel. Then we have feed, f-eed. Then we have seen, s-een. B, b-e. That's the kind of bee that makes the buzzing sound. And then we have free. So please put those into the correct word boxes. When you're done with it, please turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.